Welcome back to The Explainer. Today we are unpacking a literal game changer in how digital content is actually valued. We're talking about transforming legacy media. Those massive static archives of audio, video, and text you're probably sitting on right now. We are going to turn those into highly monetizable Web 4.0 assets. So let's get into the Nexus 4 engine, which is a system perfectly designed to take your raw human intellectual property and plug it directly into the global AI intelligence grid. Okay, let's dive right into the massive problem we're all facing. 40%. Seriously, let that sink in for a second. Businesses today are currently bleeding up to 40% of their intellectual fidelity simply by processing their data through generic cloud APIs. Think about it. When you send your nuanced, expert-level content through standard transcription, you're basically stripping away the context, the tone, and all that highly specific technical terminology. It's essentially an invisible tax on your intellectual property. So the mandate here is absolutely clear. You have to stop losing that 40%. You must secure your signal at the source. Honestly, this is the ultimate wake-up call for IP owners and enterprise architects. Because to survive the transition to what we're calling the symbiotic web, it's no longer just about hoarding data. It is all about preserving the absolute purity and integrity of that data before the machines ever even get their hands on it. To fix this, we are going to cover an exact 4-phase blueprint today. 1. The dark data problem. 2. Phase 1. The extraction blueprint. 3. Phase 2. Asset verification. 4. Phase 3. Semantic priming. And finally, 5. Phase 4. 402 monetization. First up, Section 1. The dark data problem. Trapped intellectual property. This brilliantly illustrates the high contrast reality of what we're at. On one side, you've got this chaotic cloud of dark data. Unstructured audio waves, terrifying public cloud leakage, and just messy, lossy text from generic APIs that completely miss the point of your content. But contrast that with the other side, the clean, secure, glowing lattice structure of the Nexus 4 extraction process. This is exactly where we take that chaotic noise and organize it into a high-fidelity signal. Moving on to Section 2, Phase 1, the extraction blueprint, securing the ground truth. So you're probably wondering, how do we actually capture that ground truth? Well, it's all about diarized signal isolation. Instead of just tossing your sensitive audio into some generic cloud, this method leverages local GPU-accelerated processing. It perfectly captures the exact nuance of your voice. It isolates specific speakers, and crucially, it nails that hyper-niche technical terminology right at the source. You completely bypass the lossy nature of standard transcription. I highly encourage you to pause the explainer right here and zoom in on these granular details because this is the defensive perimeter of your IP. Every single extracted transcript is locked down with cryptographic anchoring. We're talking SHA-256 hashing to create a mathematical receipt that defends against deepfakes. And when you couple that with local GPU processing, you are guaranteeing absolute data sovereignty, literally zero public cloud leakage until you are fully ready. Next is Section 3, Phase 2, Asset verification, the trust loop. Once we have that ground truth extracted, we have to prove to the global web that your content is completely untampered. Think of this phase as your ultimate digital notary. Step 1 uses C2PA standards to mathematically sign your media via certificate authorities. Step 2 ties those assets directly to your legal organization validation credentials. And Step 3 deploys a JSON-LD schema map. This creates a semantic trust loop, transforming a pile of untrusted data into a legally authenticated asset that AI crawlers can just instantly, mathematically verify. Which brings us to Section 4, Phase 3, Semantic priming, the inoculation. Listen, the absolute crucial takeaway here is that we are done waiting around for traditional SEO to slowly rank a web page. That's over. This is answer engine optimization. By utilizing specialized LLMs.txt and LMS-full.txt registries, you are essentially handing a VIP map directly to LLM crawlers like GPTbot. We use agent-targeted indexing loops to feed direct answer synthesis straight into engines like Perplexity and Gemini. You are establishing your domain as the absolute institutional ground truth. And finally, Section 5, Phase 4, 402 monetization, the exit strategy. Because AI routing agents are rapidly replacing human clicks, those old ad revenue models, yeah, they're dead. Instead, we gate your high-value semantic data behind high-performance edge proxies like Cloudflare Workers. Now, when an AI agent wants your verified ground truth, it triggers an automated HTTP 402 paper crawl microfee. And here's the best part. Because you've proven your fidelity in the first 3 phases, AI companies will gladly pay these authority-based fees to ensure their own models are actually accurate. Let's put it all together into the complete Nexus 4 value chain. Feel free to pause the explainer here again to really examine how these Web 4.0 standards stack up. From capture and authentication all the way to influence and value capture, this matrix shows you exactly how to turn a dusty static archive into a highly active self-monetizing intelligence node on the global grid. If you are an enterprise architect or an IP owner, you literally cannot afford to wait. The time to stop the intellectual drain is right now. To implement this exact extraction blueprint and stop losing that 40%, you can inquire directly about pricing and deep enterprise integration by shooting an email over to info@samail.biz. Also, before we wrap, I am absolutely thrilled to announce the official launch of our brand new hub at www.samail.inc. You can find all the contents of this explainer right there, along with a massive wealth of plug-and-play documents and tailor-made reports to help shed light on this transition for your own projects. And of course, you can find our explainers streaming everywhere you get your audio, including Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Amazon Music, Castro, Podbean, and Audible. I'm going to leave you with this final, critical thought to chew on as we step into this new era. If AI agents are rapidly becoming the primary consumers of the web, is your intellectual property formatted to be completely ignored as dark data? Or is it meticulously engineered to be purchased as the ground truth? The choice of how you transition into the symbiotic web is entirely up to you. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you on the next one.